my feet. I'm gonna need help from this point forward, okay? Because I'm still thinking about running away. Because it's just like, I have this super crazy story time to tell you guys. I got something to drink on, some water, some tea, some coffee, some something. And y'all gonna want a snack, okay? Because when I tell y'all, this is a story time, okay? And I can't believe I'm about to expose myself like this, y'all. I am like so embarrassed. But at the same time, it's all good though. It's all good though, right? I don't know. Y'all, I just really can't believe I'm about to tell y'all this story time, okay? This is legit, literally what happened to me. I'm telling y'all, I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up if I wanted to, okay? Make sure y'all get this video to 500 likes, y'all, because when I say this is going to be crazy, this is going to be crazy. Okay, without further ado, it's either now or never. So I'm taking a sip of water. Take a sip of water real quick. Woo! Y'all, I'm so scared. This happened to me like 3 weeks ago, y'all. And I was telling somebody the story and they was dying laughing. And I was like, they told me, they gave me the suggestion of making it a story time for y'all. And I was like, but I'm gonna be exposing myself. This isn't too appropriate. I'm not gonna use the real words, you guys, so keep that in mind. For those of you that are adults, you will understand what I'm talking about. You will know what I'm saying, okay? But I can't be like saying the real words out here on YouTube because I try to keep my channel as family friendly as possible. Let me get to the story. This happened like 3 weeks ago, okay, y'all? Just thinking about it, it's like, it's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here already. So it was either a Saturday or a Sunday because my mom was off and she's only off on the weekends. So boom, I was in the kitchen, right? And remind y'all, I just came from my room. The kids were in the room, my 2 nieces and my daughter. So they were in the room watching TV. They were being just innocent little angels in the room watching TV, right? I left the room and I went in the kitchen, right? So I'm editing, right? And normally, if you guys don't know, when it comes to editing, it's a long, drawn out process. It's very repetitive. So I'm editing, I got my earphones in, my mom's cooking, so I'm in the kitchen, I'm editing, and my back is against everyone else, and I'm just editing away. I'm honestly tuning everyone out. I'm just trying to get this video like done, okay? I don't remember what video I was editing, but I was trying to just edit a video and get it done, get it done, get it done. After you hear yourself talk for so long and you heard the same thing so many times, and y'all know I be extra. I just be like, I have a whole migraine just like hearing myself speak, y'all. So when I tell y'all, I was like subconsciously like listening to my surroundings, but at the same time I was not like consciously listening. I was just editing. So I hear my mom's girlfriend, right? She comes in the kitchen. Remind you, everybody's behind me. I can't see anybody and I'm just editing. So she says it like this, okay? So I'm her. So she says like this. She's like, yeah, Paris, which is my daughter, Paris came and she wanted to know if she can play with this toy. And I was like, oh my God, I'm her. Oh my God, where'd you get that from? And she says, I got it from my mommy's treasure box. Okay. So I'm low-key listening, but I'm not. She's like, oh no, you gotta put that back. That's not for you. She's like, and it's a purple toy. So, okay, I hear her say that or whatever, and her and my mom is talking back and forth or whatever, but I'm still editing, so I'm editing, and I'm thinking to myself started actually thinking for once. I said, purple toy? Where'd she get a purple toy from? And I was like, purple toy? My heart fell to my feet. You know how the cartoon characters, how the mouth like drop? If I was a cartoon character, literally my mouth fell to the floor. I was like, for like 15 seconds, y'all, I was like, it went from what? Purple toy? Purple toy! Y'all, if y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know the panic that was in my heart. Okay, at this time, my mom's girlfriend has already left the kitchen. She went to the room where she left already, okay? So I hopped up. I almost touched the ceiling, y'all, how high I hopped up. I hopped up. I can't even talk. That's all just like, ah! I hopped up off the chair, y'all. My head could have hit the ceiling, how high I freaking jumped. I hopped up, yo, and I'm low-key walking real fast. I'm speed walking. From the kitchen to my room isn't that far of a walk, yo. I get halfway and I said, you know what, forget it. I'm already outed. Like, the whole house already know, okay? So what am I rushing for? Everybody already know the business. Everybody know my secret is out. The secret is out. The secret is out. So I just like, I'm walking to the room, head down, like, oh Lord, how did she get into this? So I go to
the treasure box.
Okay, it's not a treasure box. I'll show you guys a clip later on, like what the box is. It's just 2 boxes that are on my dresser. No one ever goes in these boxes. Literally, there's nothing in there but like old jewelry. Like there's nothing in those boxes for anyone to go into. Literally, I don't even go in those boxes only for that one thing, my toy. But my daughter, of course, never sees me even go in that box anyway. So I don't know, for whatever reason. I'm telling you, when I was in the room, my daughter and her 2 cousins were just watching TV, like just watching TV, doing nothing. And next thing you know, I guess they wanted to, like, I don't know, do a scavenger hunt. I don't know if they wanted to be spy ninjas for the day. I don't know. And it's funny because my daughter has so many toys. And I'm telling you, the first day I buy her a toy, either she loses interest in it within the first 24 hours or she don't know what a toy is. One part is over here, the next part is over there. The toy is just, baby, where'd the toy go? So literally I tell myself, oh my gosh, I'm not going to buy her no more toys. Of course, I always buy her more and more toys. But so she's going through stuff in the room to find these toys, but she actually ended up finding my toy.
Bruh.
So y'all know, like, that, no. I'm gonna take some water. This is a true story, and this literally happened, y'all. I promise y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all proof. I got proof. I'm gonna show y'all. Listen, this isn't the worst part. This isn't the worst part at all. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. It gets worse than this. I get to
the treasure box,
and I'm just like, I look at it to see like if it's there. Of course, it's not. My mom's girlfriend put it up somewhere. So at this point, the kids is outside playing it. I forgot all about it, and I'm just like, did this literally just happen? Somebody pinch me, wake me up. Did this just happen? Because it can't happen. It just can't happen. Okay, so I went back to editing for a little bit. I was just like, low-key, just like, don't nobody talk to me right now. Like, just don't look at me. 30 minutes later, so I go and ask my mom. I was like, hey mom, how you doing? Would you so happen to know where my mom's girlfriend name is Sean, where Sean put the purple toy at? You know what I'm saying? So I wanted to put it away, you know what I'm saying? And she was like, no. Okay, let me back it up real quick. So when I went in the room, I seen it wasn't in the treasure box. I was looking around my room like, where did she put it at? Where did she put it at? Where did she put it at? Yo, when I tell y'all I couldn't find that toy, I was like,
You are so dumb.
she got a good hiding spot. She got a way better hiding spot than me. Like, I could not, and I say I was searching. I could not find that toy. So my mom said she don't know where she put it at. So, that was one person I already asked. So I had to go ask my mom's girlfriend. This time she had left. It took her like 30 minutes. So I went to find the toy because I wanted to text somebody like what happened or whatever, and I want to show them, of course, pictures, because pictures is gonna give you a picture to like the image about what I'm talking about. Like that is so much better. So my mom's girlfriend, she was at the store or whatever, so I texted my sisters. I was like, oh my god, you guys, I'm running away. We are all in a group chat, right? Guess what, them heifers, I love y'all, I'm sorry, but they didn't even text me back. I'm telling them I'm about to run away. They didn't say, where you going? Do you need help? Come stay with me if you need a place to stay. They didn't care that your girl was about to be homeless. They just kept on going on with their day. So I was like, man, forget y'all. So I went to text somebody else, and I went to tell them like, what happened, right? So my mom's girlfriend finally comes back again for the second person. I'm like, hey, would you so happen to know? Of course she knows, so she put it up. Would you so happen to know where you put the purple toy? I have to say it real low. She told me where she put it at. So I go get it, and I was like, bruh,
so
this was a good hiding spot. Why didn't I think of this? So I get it. So I'm over here. I'm setting up the text. I already set up the text for the person I was texting, and they were texting me back, and they were like, "Oh my god, you're kidding? Like that's crazy." And I was like, "Yo, I'm not kidding." So I'm taking a picture of it because like that's just me. Like I don't really get embarrassed, honestly. I don't get too embarrassed by honestly anything. But I mean, if I'm telling this to the world, it's different compared to like my close friends or my family members or whatever. Like it's a different vibe. My daughter, when she showed it to my mom's girlfriend, she like had it out of the little baggie it was in. So she like showed it. So she's like,
can I play with this toy?
So I take it out. I'm taking pictures of it, right? So I look at the bag, y'all. This is when it gets worse. I look at the bag, y'all, and I'm like, it's writing on it. Y'all, let me tell you what she did. She literally wrote her name on the bag. I don't know. I don't know what possessed her to look in that box. What possessed her to write her name on the baggie it was in. I know she was like,
oh yeah, I'm gonna let me keep stuff with my name on it. Ain't nobody getting it. This is my new toy. This is my new little bag. Like,
why would you do that? I was like, I took a picture of it and I showed it to that person. They're like, oh my God, this is crazy. And I was like, yes, y'all, I'm running away. I'm gone. Forget it. I'm done. I'm running away. Like, it was that serious. So I'm gonna show y'all the bag. I'm gonna show y'all proof right now. Do y'all want to see the bag, yo? When I said, I seen it and I said, I gotta throw it away. And y'all, this toy cost me a good penny. When I said, for good reasons too, okay? When I say it cost me a good penny, and it's for good reason, y'all, it's A1. I recommend 100%. Y'all ain't heard of it. Go get it. If this video gets to 500 plus likes, I'm gonna go ahead and link the toy because I'm telling y'all, it'll change your whole world. Let me stop. Stop. Am I doing too much? Am I going too far? Let me stop. Okay, let me show y'all the freaking bag and where she wrote her name on it. Like she really was about to keep this toy. Baby, you wasn't even supposed to ever see this, okay? Let alone try to keep it. That ain't for you. That's for me. Like, stop. Y'all. Okay, y'all ready? My purple toy, the baggie it was in. Y'all, this the bag. Y'all see her name? She wrote her name Paris in pink, like she was gonna keep this. I'm just like, I gotta throw it away. I gotta go and repurchase a whole new one. Okay, different color and everything, because like, I'm just like, that is the ultimate, like, that is so weird, bro. Like that don't sit well with me at all, y'all. And I was just like, no, she freaking did it. Like literally, the kids, her and my nieces, they literally forgot all about it. Like after my mom's girlfriend told them like they can't play with it, like they forgot all about it. But I'm still scarred. I don't know why she just didn't come to me like,
hey mommy, I found this toy. Can I play with it?
And I would have been like, no, you know, so you can't play with this toy. No. And I would have just like put it away. But she just had to go to like my mom's girlfriend. And of course my mom's girlfriend had to like, you know, tell me and my mom like, oh yeah, she got into something she shouldn't have gone into. And I'm just like, at least she didn't tell my brother. Because that would have been kind of embarrassing to me. Like, I can just imagine her like,
hey uncle, can I play with this toy?
He like,
He needs some milk.
throw that shit away. Like, who I did wasn't for me to tell this story, right? So let me tell y'all, my sisters never text me back. And they're not gonna know what I'm talking about until they watch this video and be like, oh, I remember that text 3 weeks ago and no one responded. Oh, they didn't even care about me running away. It was something that traumatic that happened in my life. And still I'm haunted. I'm having nightmares about it. I was talking to my sister the other day and we were just chit-chatting about something and I was like, oh my God, it just like popped in my mind and I was like, oh my God, let me tell you what happened with the kids. I was like, it's kind of bad, but it's kind of funny too. She's like, oh my gosh, what happened? Like she was low-key concerned. And I'm like, yeah, it's kind of bad, but it's real funny though. Let me tell you. So I told her the whole story. Let me tell y'all. When I say she was holding her stomach laughing, crouched over. When I say she was crying of laughter, she was dying laughing. Literally, if she had to go pee, she would have peed on herself. That's how funny she thought the story was. And she was like, oh my gosh, you gotta do a story time for YouTube. And I was like, perfect idea, y'all. So I was like, this would be a perfect story time for you guys. If she found it that hilarious, I know you guys are gonna enjoy it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this story time, y'all. I can't believe I'm really putting it out there, y'all. Get this video to 500 likes, y'all, because when I say it took some time, it's been about a week. I've been thinking about it, like, should I? F it, I am. I'm gonna put it out there. It is what it is. It is what it is. It happens, okay? Let me know in the comments down below, like, what's the most recent, like, embarrassing thing that has happened to you? I'm dying to know, you guys. You guys, send me some heart emojis down there. Send me some prayer emoji, y'all, because I'm gonna need help. I'm gonna need help from this point forward, okay? Because I'm still thinking about running away, because it's just like, pray for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too much for y'all. And that was my story time. This literally happened, y'all. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys don't like view me any differently. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.